In this video, we will show you how to mount standard discs and blocks into the E5. Note that for mounting blocks you need the E5 block holder, which is sold separately by customer service. You can process discs with a diameter of 98.5 to 98.8 mm in a height of up to 40 mm on your E5. The block holder accepts blocks of 40 by 20 by 20 mm. Always clean the blank holder before mounting a blank. Make sure that no machining residues remain. Notice, if blanks move or vibrate during machining, the result may be unusable. Tightening screws too much can damage blanks. Only use the provided torque screwdriver with 1.5 Nm for mounting discs in the block holder. Loosen the two fixing screws on the blank holder without unscrewing them. Let's start with mounting discs. If the disc is multi-layered, align the disc so that the top layer of color points to you. If the disc has already been machined, make sure that the marking for safer remounting is at the 6 o'clock position. Insert the blank into the blank holder from above. Carefully rotate blanks that have already been machined so that the marking on the blank is exactly above the marking on the blank holder. At first, screw the two fixing screws only lightly using the provided torque screwdriver. Then tighten the screws to the torque. To remove the disc after machining, loosen the two fixing screws without unscrewing them and pull the disc upwards out of the blank holder. Now let's look at mounting blocks with the block holder. Notice, tool breakages and incorrect machining results due to incorrect block assignment. The block type, the number of blocks and the block positions must correspond to the job in Dental CAM. If the block is multi-layered, align it so that the top layer of color is on top. Position the block so that the positioning pin at the block holder lies in the groove in the block shaft. Insert the shaft of the block into the desired position in the block holder until it is firmly seated. Use the torque screwdriver that was provided with the block holder to fix the block with the corresponding fixing screw. Tighten the screw firmly. When you have screwed down all required blocks, you can continue with mounting the block holder into the working chamber. Align the block holder so that the position numbers point towards you. The flat sides of the positioning aids must point downwards. Insert the block holder into the blank holder from above. At first, screw the two fixing screws only lightly using the provided torque screwdriver. Then tighten the screws to the torque. To remove the block holder after machining, loosen the two fixing screws without unscrewing them and pull the block holder upwards out of the blank holder. Use the torque screwdriver provided with the block holder to loosen the fixing screw at the desired position. Remove the block from its holder. When you have mounted the desired disc or blocks, you need to insert the correct tools for the job. Watch the next video in this series for further details. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E5. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.